Hello everyone, this is a tutorial in building a very simple player app which can play video. I'm going to use this example to know the videos from remote location, and we'll be using AVFoundation, AVKit, and apply the use of app transport security in order to load information from a remote location. Let's start. In this project, which is an empty one, I'm going to start with setting up the app transport security. First of all, I would go to info here and add a new option to the info playlist. I want to set this as app transport security settings. This one is a dictionary, and I'm going to add the content to it. I will choose exception domains here, and this one will be a dictionary as well. Inside, I'm going to put the key, which would be the location of Apple, because I'm going to retrieve the content from Apple. In fact, this is a dictionary again. So let's see, actually I should add it under exception domains. So it should be here. Enter into dictionary. I can remove this one. Alright. Inside this dictionary, I'm going to set a key with NS exception requires forward secrecy, and this is a boolean of no. We set up through the build settings here. If you like, you can also set it through the source code. Right click the info playlist and then open as source code. This will show you like this, and this part is exactly what we want to have in here. Basically, we are adding the path to Apple to the exception so that our app can access those playlists under this domain. Next step, we are going to configure our user interface. Let's switch to the storyboard. In here, we are going to use the AVKit player wheel to place on our wheel controller. Search AVKit player wheel. The good thing about AVKit player wheel is that it provides you the common toolbar, as you can see in QuickTime Player. We will apply the video asset and use this AVKit player wheel to play it. I also want to set the constraint using auto layout here. I will just set it to 0 for all the margins, so that the player wheel would be as big as our current wheel controller's wheel. For this player wheel, I'm going to set the property change control style to floating, and it previews what it looks like for the control bar here. It is similar to the one used in QuickTime Player. Then I'm going to link this player wheel as an IP outlet to the wheel controller. Right click and drag it to view controller. Name it as player view. In order to use AV player view in our current Swift file, we will need to import AVKit. It has to use together with AVFoundation, because we will be using AVFoundation's class to initialize the video asset. So I'm going to import AVFoundation here as well. Within Build-It node, I'm going to set up an AV player using the URL. The URL here will be the location to a playlist located in Apple's server. This can be initialized using NSURL with the string. And I'm going to copy the location of the playlist to this point. If this does not exist, we will just return to end the call of Build-It node method. If it is available, we will set up the player object, which is an AV player, using this URL, and then apply this player to the player view.player. By setting like this, we have the simplest player app we can build. Let's take a look. And now we can start playing. Pause it if I like. And this shows the loading progress of the playlist as well. We'll be building a massive video playing app, and this would be a good start of that application. Hope to talk to you more about the video application we are going to build soon, and I will see you next time.